Dude, now I'm going to tell how to find out volume of cylinder. Here they have given a cylinder in this radius is 1 unit and the actual height is 3 units. You need to find out volume. Volume of cylinder can be written as pi r square h. So it's going to become pi times of, here the radius is 1 unit, so it is 1 square, times of the height, which is 3 units, times of 3. So it is pi times of 1 square means 1 times of 1, which becomes 1. 1 times of 3. 3 times of 1 is 3. 3 times of pi again. 3 pi cubic units is the volume of this cylinder. Let's take another cylinder. Here, after taking this cylinder, here you going to get another one thing. Here also radius is just 1 units, but the height it going to become 5 units. Now you need to find out what is this one, that is what's the volume of this cylinder. Here they have given radius as 1 unit, height as 5 units. Now volume of the cylinder can be written as pi r square h. So it's going to become pi times of, this is radius 1 unit, so it is 1 square, times of height, which is 5 units. Now 1 square is again 1 times of 1, which remains as 1. So this is nothing but pi times of 1 times of 5. 1 times of 5 is 5. 5 times of pi is 5 pi. 5 pi cubic units is the volume of this cylinder. Let's take another cylinder, and in this cylinder they have given like this, that is they have given radius as 2 units and the perpendicular height it going to become 7 units. Here also you need to find out what's the volume. Radius is 2 units, height is 7 units. Again volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So it's going to become pi times of, here radius is 2 units, 2 square times of, this is height, which is 7 units. 2 square means it is 2 times of 2. 2 times of 2 is 4. So this is going to become pi times of 4 times of 7. 4 times of 7 is 28. 28 times of pi, which is 28 pi cubic units. Let's take another cylinder. Here if you take this cylinder, you can write it like this, that is after taking this they have given radius as 3 units and they have given the perpendicular height as this 10 units. Now here also you need to find out what's the volume, and the radius they have given as 3 units, height which is given as 10 units. Now you need to find out what's the volume of this cylinder. Volume is pi r square h. So it's going to become equal to pi times of, this is the radius, radius is 3 units, so it is 3 square, times of, this is the height, which is 10 units. 3 square means 3 times of 3, which becomes equal to 9. So this is pi times of 9 times of 10. 9 times of 10 is 90. 90 times of pi, which is 90 pi cubic units, is the actual volume of the cylinder. Let's take another cylinder. Here they have given the final cylinder. In this final cylinder, they are telling us that the radius of the cylinder is 5 units and the perpendicular height, here it is 10 units. Here also you need to find out what's the volume. Radius is 5 units and the perpendicular height is 10 units. Volume of the cylinder can be written as pi r square h. So this is going to become pi times of, this is the radius, which is 5 units, so it is pi times of 5 square, times of, this is the perpendicular height, which is 10 units. 5 square means you can write it as 5 times of 5, which becomes 25. So this is going to become pi times of 25 times of 10. This 25 times of 10 is 250. 250 times of pi, which becomes 250 pi cubic units, that is the volume of this cylinder. Now I give one more cylinder. Tell what's the volume of this cylinder in the comment section. Here in this cylinder they have given this one, the radius of this cylinder as equal to 5 units and the perpendicular height as equal to 13 units. You need to find out what's the volume. The radius is 5 units and the perpendicular height is, no, is 13 units. Tell the answer in the comment section. Now it is bye.